Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at a tool accessory that turns your multi-tool into a full-fledged workshop in your pocket. This is the Leatherman Bit Kit, and if you're using the best Leatherman Free K4x, then this is the upgrade you don't want to miss. So what exactly is the Bit Kit? It's a compact set of 21 double-ended screwdriver bits, which means you're actually getting 42 individual bit tips. From Phillips and flathead to Torx, hex, posy and more, this set covers nearly every fastener you'll encounter, whether you're fixing your bike on the trail, tightening a hinge at home, or working on a DIY project. The bits come organized in two sleek sleeves that are small enough to fit in your pocket, a tool pouch, or right into your multi-tool sheath. They use Leatherman's proprietary flat bit design, half the size of a traditional hex bit but with all the performance. That means more functionality without adding bulk. What stands out about these bits isn't just their size, but their durability. Each bit is made from hardened, zinc-coated steel. According to Leatherman, they're 35% stronger than average bit materials. And while we didn't put them in a lab for testing, we can tell you that in real-world use, tightening screws in hardwood and working on metal frames, these things held up impressively. Now, if you're using a Leatherman multi-tool with a bit driver, like the Free K4x, Wave Plus, Surge, or Charge, this kit snaps right in with no adapter needed. If you also have the bit driver extension, that's when this kit really becomes powerful. It adds reach and lets you get into tight spots where the multi-tool's body might otherwise get in the way. One of the most underrated things about this kit is how easy it is to carry. Whether you're stashing it in a glove box, tackle box, backpack, or EDC pouch, it's a whole driver set you can carry without noticing the weight. And even though it packs a lot, it doesn't rattle or feel cheap. The sleeves hold the bits tightly, and you can pull each one out with just your fingernail, no tools needed. Everything feels thoughtful and built to last. So who is this for? If you're already a Leatherman user, especially with the Free K4x or any tool that takes bits, this kit is a no-brainer. It turns your multi-tool into something even more versatile. It's especially great for travelers, campers, technicians, or anyone who needs to be ready for unexpected fixes without lugging around a full toolbox. That wraps it up for today's review of the Leatherman Bit Kit. If you want functionality, portability, and durability packed into a minimalist design, this kit delivers. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical gear reviews. See you in the next one.